Today we're going to show you how to clean a drain properly and thoroughly. When you call a plumber out to clean a drain for you, there's a difference between cleaning the drain and just getting the water to start flowing. So we're going to show you what it means to use the right blades and what happens when you use the wrong blade. So the water is backed up, and we're going to run the first pass with a blade on the cable that's too small. So after we ran the little blade through, the water is gone. It would seem as though everything went down because the water level went down. But that's what happens when you run too small of a cable through there and you don't do a thorough drain cleaning job. So you can see the drain clog is still here, but the water is gone. So as soon as we run water back in the line, it's going to clog right back up, and that's what you don't want. Let's show you what it looks like for a thorough drain cleaning job. This is the big 4-inch blade, and it's actually a blade. It's sharp on one end, if you can see that. Sharp on one side of that, because it's turning this way. So it's cut. So it's just as big as the diameter of the pipe. Look, so there are a lot of wrong ways to clean a drain, but if you want it done right, call Wally Plumbing. Thanks for watching.